This is an urgent matter. France is to apply taxation by nationality in 2026. What's coming and how to protect yourself from taxes in your country right now. Starting January 1st, 2026, France could be the next country to implement a nationality-based taxation system. And yes, it completely changes the tax landscape for the French citizens, and it sets a dangerous precedent for the rest of Europe. The proposed law, already with approved amendments, aims for French passport holders who have been tax residents in France for at least 3 of the last 10 years to pay taxes in France even if they live abroad. It will apply if the country you live in has a tax burden below 40% of France's and your annual income exceeds 230,000 euros a year. In other words, if you're French, move to a country that's too tax-friendly and earn well, you'll still pay taxes in France. And the worst part, they want this rule to apply 10 years after you leave, going even further, for example, than Spain's old 5-year rules for those who move to tax havens. If you like that video, hit the subscribe button. It helps me keep creating content. And leave a comment below. I'd love to chat with you, and I try to reply to everyone. This is much more serious than it seems. If it's finally approved, the only way to protect yourself will be to live in a country with double taxation treaty with France. But careful, that's not enough. Those treaties only protect you if you can actually apply them. And in many cases, you won't be able to. Even though France has agreement with Dubai or Spain, those treaties only apply if you hold the passport of Dubai. So if you're French and live in Dubai, you're not protected. The same issue will affect perpetual nomads or those without a clear tax residency. They'll be completely exposed. Countries that will stop being safe havens. This kind of measure destroys the traditional model of flexible tax residency. In Spain, for example, they are starting to refuse tax residency certificates from places that are territorial or that require you to have a passport of that country to use a tax treaty like Dubai or even Bulgaria. Example of territorial countries that will no longer work: Panama, Paraguay, Thailand, Costa Rica. The text is still in draft form, but everything suggests it will come into effect on January 1st, 2026. There might be minor changes or delay, but the change seems inevitable. And this won't stop with France. Spain and other European countries are expected to follow the same path. Hungary has already been doing it for years. In summary, France plans to introduce taxation by nationality starting in 2026. It will affect those with a French passport and high incomes. Tax treaties will be your only defense if they apply to your case. Review it. It's time to prepare Plan B: residence, nationality, and tax structures. If you need help reviewing your tax situation or planning your relocation, you can do it directly with our Eludex team. I'll leave a link in the description. This is just the beginning. See you in the next video.